Hey, welcome back to our class. Today, we are going to talk on computer factory reset. What is computer factory reset? When to reset your computer, and also we will discuss if resetting a computer will remove viruses. What is a computer factory reset? Resetting a computer is a step-by-step process you can go through to restore your PC into its original state. It will return your PC to the same state it was in when you first bought it. You can ask yourself, when should I reset my computer? If you believe that there are viruses, privacy issue, or software bugs affecting your device and its performance, then it may be time for factory reset. You can also try this type of reset if you notice that your device is not performing as well and you are exhausted all other possible options. Does a factory reset remove viruses? Of course, factory reset removes viruses. A factory reset is designed to erase everything on your computer, which means that viruses along with everything else will be removed. Your device will be restored to its initial settings from when it was purchased. What is the difference between factory reset and hard reset? Option of hard reset forces the device to restart if it is running into problems, while factory reset removes everything on your device and returns it back to the original factory settings from when the device was first issued. Thank you so much for watching this video. In the next video, we will go through step-by-step procedures for resetting a computer. I hope that you will not miss the lesson. If you find this information important, please don't hesitate to subscribe, like and share. Let's meet in the next lesson.